Hi, thanks for stopping by and checking out our version of a classic recipe, lasagna. First, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Here we have 1 pound of ground beef. We're going to start to cook it until it's completely cooked. While the ground beef is cooking, here we're going to make the lasagna cheese filling. We're going to mix the mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, and a container of ricotta cheese together. Here we're going to lightly beat an egg and then put it into the cheese mixture. Here I'm cutting some fresh parsley. Then I'm going to chop the parsley into little pieces and put it into the cheese mixture. Here I'm going to blend the cheese mixture until it's blended very well together. Here I'm draining the grease from the ground beef. Here we're going to pour the spaghetti sauce into the meat in the skillet. Here we want to pour about 1 cup of the meat spaghetti sauce at the bottom of the pan so that the noodles don't stick to the bottom while they're cooking. Here we're going to start layering 3 lasagna noodles, 1/3 of the ricotta cheese mixture, and 1 cup meat sauce. Repeat 2 more times. Top with the remaining 3 noodles and sauce. Sprinkle the remaining mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese mix over the lasagna. Lightly grease the aluminum foil and then cover tightly. Bake for 45 minutes or until cooked through. After the 45 minutes, remove the foil and bake for an additional 15 minutes or until bubbling. Let the lasagna sit for about 15 minutes before cutting for easier serving. And there you have it, our family version of lasagna, layer by layer. Our recipe makes it easy for anyone. Our family loves it, and so will yours. Enjoy.